I don't think we've got enough outtakes to make an outtake video.
Hi guys, welcome back to another. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk you. No, I'm sorry. Why am I slowed down? The car's over there. Stop grinning. You look like a Cheshire cat. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk you through our 5 favourite. No, that was all right though until then. See, this is why I don't do the intros. Just dawned on me because I don't know what number 1 is. Do I look a weird shape? Be careful, there's a prickly weed there. Number 1 has to be our Muddy Mods rock sliders. I've forgotten what I was going to say. Let's go again and see what happens. Number 1 has to be our Muddy Mods rock sliders. I really like the rock sliders, don't I?
You really do.
Stop messing around. Just get on with it.
I don't even know what I'm saying for this. Number 2, for me personally, I think
It's going into the yellow.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Right.
That's much better, that is.
Well, I'll just tone down my voice a little bit.
Yeah, basically. Indoor voices.
And the outdoor.
Indoor voices.
Peter Piper picked a pickled peppers.
Well, I'll see what I'll say and we'll work out if it works, okay?
This will go well, people. Hold on to your hats.
As you may or may not know on these cars, the fuel tanks are made from plastic and sit very, very low. When off-roading, that's going to be quite vulnerable. It's saved our bacon many, many times, as you'll probably tell from the scratches that Scott will put. No, I was going to say about pictures, but I started losing what I was saying. Shall I hold on to the tow bar? Number 3 no, I started way too quickly then. As you may or may not know with these cars, the fuel tank's plastic and also sits very low, which makes it incredibly invulnerable. Making up my own words.
Number 4.
That was too loud.
Number 4.
Too quiet.
Number 4. I know this video is going to seem quite guard related and underbody. Number 4. I know this video is going to seem very underbody. No, what was that?
You're waffling.
I've not even started.
You've got a ladybird on
Ladybird.
ladybird on your leg. Wait, this is number 5. This is the last one, isn't it? As much as these cars are really capable while standard height, off-road, the 40-50 lift just comes in ever so slightly No. Oh, I'm untying my own shoelace. Number 5 has to be our
Quack.
in wind. Oh, I've got a new fringe. Who would want to be outside on a hay fevery day?
You seem to be moving further forwards all the time.
It's because you keep moving that way, so I keep going with you.
Here, doggy, doggy, doggy.
Number 5 has to be our 40-50 lift kit, which just so happens to be from Number 5 happens. What? I made myself cringe. I don't know why I lost it then. Just lost it. I like toast, but with butter, no jam. You can keep the jam. I like toast. I like toast a lot.
You like toast a lot?
I like toast a lot.
With jam?
Without jam.
With honey?
Toast and butter, lots of toast and butter.
All the toast and butter?
All the toast and butter.
With jam?
With no jam.
With honey?
With no honey. With butter.
Tuna?
Toast and tuna, you know you're weird.